What is up, YouTube world? Look, today I decided I'm going to go take my very first ever run. I'm not a runner. I don't run unless something's chasing me. Like, today's gonna be my actually get prepared. Like, I got my stuff out here. We got you gotta have your sports bra. I try to match, I got my gray, not gray, that's purple, with the leggings that's kind of gonna go. Right now I'm trying to find a black shirt to go because I'm gonna have my black Nikes on. And we're going to go for a run. So I wanted to bring y'all along with my first ever run journey. And like you see right now, we're still getting prepared. So let me get these clothes on and we're gonna be back. All right, so after all that, this is the jogging outfit for today. We're gonna be getting our run on in. I guess you're supposed to stretch, right? So I'm gonna get the stretch. Look, I'm not a runner. It's just what I see on TV. Ugh. I feel like I could have used this stretch though. Baby, I see you. I wanna run. Yeah, I'm probably gonna be more of a jog. I don't know what that did. But I gotta show y'all what I'm gonna run. I'm not gonna run there. I'm gonna walk there and then we're gonna run from there. I got my music playlist on Spotify. I have running music. And we're about to be off. Let's go. Let me show y'all. It's cold. I don't do the cold. Ooh. Feels like I need to go back inside. But I'm not. Neighbors getting their workout on. Alright. We getting there. I'll show y'all where we are going to run. Alright, let's see. So it doesn't say really how long this run is or how long the trail is. But hey, it goes all around this little neighborhood. It's a bop. For me, it's gonna be for the first time. But you can start to see it right there. And then it goes over there and around the park. Right, y'all. Now we're gonna start getting the little jog on. We're gonna get our jog on. Damn, do I have somewhere to put my phone in? I don't think so. That's not good. Ooh, I think I'm gonna stop. Do I have a pocket in this? Let's see. Alright, already lesson learned. Know where you're gonna put your phone at when you run. Right now it's going right in here. So let's get to it. It's a bop. It is a bop. You don't realize you're out of shape till you realize you're out of shape. I think I've been in this run for 5 minutes and I'm tired like this. It's got hills and stuff, but I had to stop and take a break, and that is okay if you have to stop and take a break. The point is to get that break and get your ass back up and do it again. So I'm gonna finish this break and then I'm gonna get back to it. You don't realize till you realize. Alright. I had to stop again. But it's okay. I'm learning. Like, I'm getting through this. And I think I'm getting, like, finding my rhythm in this run thing. I lost it for a second, but I was kind of trying to remember. We're gonna get it. I'm almost done with this. I'm almost done with this. But you're not really done with this. Just for today. Alright, I'm gonna get finished in this minute little rest break I try to give myself. And then I'm back to hopefully just finishing this shit out. But if I'm gonna stop, I'm gonna stop and tell y'all to stop. I did. And I'm tired. Oh, I tried to push it up the hill at the last minute. I know it. It's the hell to me. But I did it. The first real run. All I gotta do is get out there and go try it. Now this won't be an everyday thing for me, but I can do it now and then. It's possible. I'm still learning. So, if there's something that you want to try, get out there and try it. If it's a first run, first jog, first walk, shit, first anything, go try it. Why not?